Where is 5? Yeah, good girl. Where is 2? And where is 9? Good girl. And Kiara, where is 1? Yes. And where is 7? No, this is a 6. Where is 7 number? Yeah, yes, good girl. And where is 3? Where is number 3? Search. No, this is 9. Where is number 3? Go. Yes. And where is number 10? Where is 10? 10 number. 1 and 0, 10. Yeah, go there. Yeah, good girl. See? Which number is this? 6. Good girl. Oh, is this the number 4? Oh, 4 is there. So which number is this? 2. Oh, good girl. Oh, which number is this? Huh? No, this is not a 10. This is a 9. Is this the number 7? Where is 7? 7. Oh, which number is this?